Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a bug on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Tap the results shown. If your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown, so tap Update. Usually when the app is updated, the bugs are fixed. So check if the problem is fixed. If it did not work, press and hold the Snapchat icon and tap the info icon. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the app info page for Snapchat. Here, tap Force Stop, and on the pop-up, tap OK. Then restart your phone and check if the bug is fixed. If you are still not able to fix the bug, go to the app info page again and tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Also on the pop-up, tap OK. Once you are done, check to see if the bug is fixed. If it did not work again, your final option is to uninstall the app and reinstall it. And that's how you fix a bug on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.